I'm Bill Flatley, the Field CTO for Healthcare at Comport Consulting. It's absolutely crucial to have good, solid wireless networks in your hospitals. There are patients who are in very critical condition and they're under a lot of different types of monitoring. Oftentimes it's patients who have major heart issues that need to be on advanced telemetry, and that data needs to be monitored constantly as it's being captured from the patient because they are in such critical need. For other patients and clinicians, it's a great way to communicate. We're seeing an increase in telehealth utilization, and because there's such a shortage of clinical staff, it's really nice for doctors and nurses to be able to connect to those telehealth visits anywhere they are. And we're also seeing an importance for patients and their families around the whole patient experience, where patients can schedule their appointments through apps on their phones or their tablets and computers at home. But it also then extends to them even coming to a facility and guiding them to the right door to walk into in the hospital. And these applications really, especially in the hospitals and clinics, really require solid, high-performing, and highly stable Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi security is really important. In today's day and age, we all know that PHI is the most sought-after data on individuals, and that data is so valuable and it needs to be protected. And it's not just inside those four walls anymore, so it's important to have good quality Wi-Fi, but again, something that brings that level of security as well. It's absolutely crucial to invest in a Wi-Fi assessment, and we're experts at it at Comport. There are so many obstacles within the hospital that can create poor quality for your wireless network. You have a lot of patients, visitors, clinicians that all are using wireless devices. You have medical devices in radiology, for instance, CT scanners, MRI, digital X-ray, among others, that can create interference. And it's really a problem, especially when your organization is dependent upon wireless communications. So what do you do with that wireless assessment? Well, a few things. That assessment gives you a nice heat map. It tells you where you need to have your access points for your Wi-Fi network and have the best coverage across all the areas of your facilities. And that can be from floor to floor, building to building. And that same assessment tells you if there's interference in certain areas and can help you predict where you're going to have problems, which can then allow you to fine-tune your access points to be able to still provide the best possible service to all your patients and clinicians. And what's great at Comport, not only can we help you execute on your Wi-Fi strategy and configure your wireless network to be at its best, but we can monitor it for you through our Comport Secure Managed Services. Our staff can make sure your Wi-Fi network is always up, always secure, always available, taking care of your clinicians and your patients. With over 40 years experience in healthcare, not only do we bring technical expertise, but we understand the business of healthcare, and we understand what is important to you, your clinicians, your patients, and visitors in your hospitals and clinics.